It's amazing. It is amazing. The noise cancellation is crazy. Yes, yes. Well, I guess the person that I probably talked to didn't know that much. Can you hear me clearly? Oh. You said earlier that the green is much more in demand. This is the last piece color green brand new that was there. And it was $50 off. And if you go to Apple Store, it's $5.50 plus taxes. So I pretty much saved only maybe $60. Hello? I'm talking to you right now. They sound. I was expecting that it's not gonna be that clear. I was just anticipating that maybe it's just like your headset, the AirPods. But yeah, I think I made the right decision that I went for the green color. It's very on brand and very on brand. I'm actually doing an unboxing when you call, which is a perfect timing because it's I can test real life audio how it's like. And I have a meeting later, by the way, at 11, and I hope Kaylee can call me later before my meeting starts. And yes, I'm actually vlogging this unboxing.